Hello guys, this is Animal Nature. Let's hear the sounds of wild and domestic animals. The length of the giraffe's tongue is about 50 centimeters. Most parrots are very brightly colored, with the most popular color being grassy green. Butterflies are very diverse. Tigers are the biggest wild cats. Lion is the second largest big cat. Koalas exist only in Australia. The color of goat's wool can be white, red, brown and black. In the world, more people die from being hit in the head by a coconut than from shark attacks. The elephant is the second largest animal in the world. The heart of snakes can slide freely inside the body. Hyenas are easy to train. An adult panda eats up to 30 kilos of bamboo per day. Dolphins are able to understand the emotional state of humans and sympathize with them. Squirrels are common everywhere except Australia. Pigs can't look up. In Japan, the frog is considered a symbol of good luck. Bison eat up to 25 kilograms of grass per day. Deer like to eat bananas. The cat is the one of the pets what is favorite of children and is found in almost every home. Wolf howls can be heard in different ranges. Polar bears are the largest land predators on our planet. Pelicans are the largest of the waterfowl. Leopards have very good hearing. Hunting of these animals is prohibited in all countries where they are found. Koalas exist only in Australia. Pink-colored zebra milk. In Australia, there are more kangaroos than people. Horses can sleep standing up. Hippos live only in Africa. The octopus is the only animal with 3 hearts. Crab teeth are in their stomachs. Chicken is a domesticated and most common bird on the planet. The dog is the most popular pet. They come in different sizes and types. Suricats live in large families of up to 50 individuals. Hunting of these animals is prohibited in all countries where they are found. Lion is the second largest big cat. A camel can drink up to 200 liters of water. The length of the giraffe's tongue is about 50. Most parrots are very brightly colored, with the most popular color being grassy green. Butterflies are very diverse. Tigers are the biggest wild cats. Lion is the second largest big cat. Koalas exist only in Australia.